Goodbye luggage rack. It's a sad day.
Such a sad day.
It's a really, really sad day.
It's not a sad day at all. I'm not upset at all.
You're not going to miss the luggage rack?
No.
You don't think it's cool?
No.
And of the era?
No. Luggage rack should have never existed. And it's kind of like the wood on the back of a car. On the side of a car.
Yeah, shot. There it goes.
It's like the little latch weighs more than the trunk.
Carbon fiber, baby.
It is crazy how light it is. I need to like reduce the spring. That's what's happening there, why it's like kind of lifting itself up a bit.
Nice. Perfect. Good.
Nice. That was great. Kind of looks nice.
It does. It's a good looking wing. The hardware on the bottom of it is really quality too.
So we got some hosing that we're going to use to make the
Little base plate grommet gasket that's supposed to go between this and the bottom of the wing, as pictured here. No little guy, little gray strip right there, missing. So we did have to cut some hosing to make the little rubber grommet, gasket, whatever. Between there. Ready to go on?
So I'm gonna tighten those guys up a bit.
See, this came with a gasket. Part that goes to the wing did not. I put this on, attach this to it, and the wing will sit on top. Looks pretty good, man.
Yeah, it's the top. I just need to loosen up the top. That's a big old wing.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Hey, that is fucking wild. I need to get that fixed.
Yeah.
The duckbill turned out great.
Yeah.
That was the right amount of aggression on the duckbill.
Yeah, it looks pretty good, man. The hardware looks incredible. Diffuser.
Looks a little bit different than a stock Miata now.
It already did, man.
It already did. But this is like, I really like the carbon fiber. I'm gonna be real. Now, the carbon fiber hood might be a good idea now, but like, I really am liking it. Like, that looks so cool. I just think it looks really good.
Look at that lip on there. Such a fat lip.
Yeah, I know. It doesn't ever look like that in the picture. I was like, it's not that aggressive. Not that aggressive. And then, but you look at it now and it's like, yeah, that's fucking, that's a...
I'm trying to find like a camera angle that shows how vertical that is, but it's just not.
No, I don't think you can. I mean, it goes straight up at the end. Like, it's almost straight up in the air at the end. Like that coming up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite a scoop.
Yeah. This turned out really good too. Like, I really like that.
I like the duckbill quite a bit. It kind of the wing nicely.
And I see this seated really well. Like,
with the mounting brackets?
Yeah, with moving it up like a 1/2 inch or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's seated really good.
It's not bad.